Snap on Wednesday, bitches.
Apparently, there's another truck out there too, so we can.
2 trucks?
Yeah, apparently.
Alright.
So it's a real Snap-on day. Let's go.
It's a real Snap-on.
Holy shit, it's bright out here. Early, the morning sun, actually.
I wonder what's on the other truck.
Oh, there he is.
Snap on Wednesday.
Hell yeah.
Brought 2 trucks today.
What's on the Penske truck? Oh, it's like the rock and roll cab, but different. Okay, I
Same
will.
but different.
Look at that, eh? Riding in style.
So a couple of new things. This is a new roll cart. It is a Snap-on cart. It fits the gap between our high-end Snap-on carts and the Blue Point carts.
Okay.
It is a fully welded cart, not something that I assemble in my garage like some of the less expensive ones.
Yeah.
Double wall construction, so on this one, when you put your pry bars, screwdrivers and such through there, you know, on the less expensive carts, you can see them out the bottom.
Right, yeah. Those are nice.
Fully welded, made in the U.S., made in our Algona, Iowa plant.
This is nice.
We brought in the 3 most popular colors right now. The gray, the black, and the green.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
There
I
is
love the gray.
a spot set up here, so if you wanted to put power in here, because this is an extra deep drawer, you could put your cordless chargers and stuff in here. And you get this little baby, and then you turn this into a power drawer.
Oh, that's awesome.
Nice cutouts ready for it.
And also some accessories for it. Well, that's cool. I like that.
Yeah. The other new item is the new aluminum floor jack. Again, this is all U.S. made.
Oh, that's a
1.75 tons. What is it?
that's a nice
47
unit, eh?
pounds?
47 pounds.
47 pounds?
You can get under real small low cars.
Yeah, you gotta love the low profile, eh?
Yeah.
Like it's,
3 inches. It's slick.
yeah, that's really nice.
It
Right?
won't dig into the pavement with that nice big roller on the front.
Yeah. Holy shit,
Yeah.
that's nicely built.
Field serviceable, so even if the hydraulic unit fails, we can pop that out and put a new one in about 10 minutes.
Oh wow. And a tech can do that instead of
And you
getting
can
it
actually
sent
pick
out
it
or
up
whatever.
and move it too.
Yeah, I can get all the parts.
Yeah.
You know, similar to our FJ 200, 300, 400,
Yeah.
where I can repair them in the field because all the parts are available.
That's awesome.
Move the handle.
Oh jeez.
But feel it.
Oh wow.
What is it?
It's paper
Is it
light.
titanium or is it aluminum?
Aluminum.
It's aluminum too, yeah.
But it's a one-piece handle, which the big difference there is most jack handles are 2-piece and they're sloppy.
Yeah.
You lose half your throw just because of the sloppy.
Wow, that's nice.
Nice. Locks right in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quick disconnect, just pull a button that pops in and pops out. Probably not so much, but
Snaps in.
That works a lot better. That's not going to wear out
Oh,
your
yeah.
U-joint there instead of the 2 teeth that always wear out and don't work half
Pull the
the-
pin
half
underneath,
the time
comes
in one
out.
position.
Oh, that's cool.
It's just a quick connect.
when
Disconnect.
Snap-on makes stuff,
Oh, yeah.
they're most concerned about longevity.
Make it once.
Come January, it'll be our 100th anniversary.
Right.
We won't build our reputation on stuff that doesn't last, right? You'll have to undo the strap.
I'm just gonna fix that.
Oh, yeah.
2-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch drawer, and then a 7-inch top. So, but you can put a floor jack right in the top. That's a pretty good size. Right?
That's not bad. It's got some good depth for a cart for sure.
Depth.
That's nice. I like it.
Girthy.
Girthy. We all like girth.
Pick your color, Jordan.
gonna have to be the color that matches my toolbox.
The Destroyer Gray, I guess that would be called. Well,
Storm gray.
Storm Gray. I'm thinking Dodge now. Destroyer Gray is the color. Storm Gray.
That's become one of our hottest
guys.
colors right now. It's a gray.
Yeah.
It's got a nice kind of military kind of industrial color to it.
And it kind of goes
Strong
with everything
color.
too. Like, you
Yeah.
know, if you have a blue box, well, the gray kind of matches the box. Right?
Fair enough.
Oh. And you're all stocked up, ready to sell them.
Pile them high and watch them buy.
Is that all you have? So you just have these colors on here right now?
Those
Yeah.
Those three.
Yeah.
three colors are the most popular we
Right.
sell.
You want a different color? We can hook you up.
Makes sense. Cool.
Well, your box is black, Joe.
Shut up.
Shut up.
I can unroll it right now.
Man, yeah, and I mean, I am in the market, but it's, I got so many other things going on right now.
Well, I'd probably be calling my wife telling her I have a new freaking cart if I wasn't going to school next week.
Yeah, no doubt.
Everything can be worked out.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, these are nice.
You want payments to start in 2 months? We can do that.
Yeah.
There you go. Problem solved.
You guys always
We
make it
make
easy.
dreams come true here at Snap-on Tools.
Every morning I show up and I see my toolbox. Kind of like a dream. Someone wake me up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's awesome. All right, let's jump down. Thanks, Tyler.
Going down. 3rd floor, ladies' lingerie. Oh, that's Aerosmith.
Cool.
That's new, isn't it?
Nice. I think we both need a cart eventually, though.
Yeah, I know. I do. Oh. Oh shit!
Whoa, what's going on?
I just about fell. In fact, I did fall.
No, you did.
Catch that on camera. It's too bad you didn't catch it from your point of view.
Yeah, your image is all stabilized. And
Yeah, I know.
stuff. Nobody would even be able to tell.
I won't even know what happened.
At least he can fall and it'll look great.
The other thing I'm promoting big time for the next month is the Intelligent Diagnostics.
Right.
There's the Apollo and the Triton, which would be equivalent to our Solus Edge and Modus Edge, except they have Intelligent Diagnostics.
Right. They lab scope capabilities and all that stuff too, or
On the Triton, yes.
that's right. Yeah.
This is a scan tool only. This is a scan tool and 2-channel lab scope.
Right.
But if you've never had Intelligent Diagnostics explained to you, so now basically I'm in demo mode, so I went into the engine,
Yeah.
display codes, pulls out 2 codes. You can highlight whichever one you want.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you click on Intelligent Diagnostics, what it does is pulls out information related to that code only. Picture our regular scan tool as a massive library of information
Right.
with lots of menus and submenus. Intelligent Diagnostics is the librarian for that library of information.
Gotcha.
So it'll automatically tell me right off the bat the most commonly replaced parts for that code. Scroll down, TSBs for that code.
That's always great because that's the one thing that a lot of people overlook is TSBs, right?
So
you start chasing something.
we
that there's
start with
already
the
a fix
basic,
for.
and as you scroll down, you get into more advanced
Yeah,
testing and diagnostics work. Smart data,
keeps it starts simple and then
instead of pulling up your data stream of 130 PIDs,
yeah,
it'll only display those PIDs related to that code.
yeah,
So it eliminates everything you don't need to see.
that's great.
Functional tests and procedures related, again, only to that code. There's our SureTrack information. Cause and fixes, most common ones.
That'll save some
Basically, if you start at the top of the menu and work your way down, by the time you get to the bottom,
Should be fixed.
you should have it fixed. Now, all of our scan tools have this information in them, but you'd have to exit out of screens, go
Right.
into a new one, menus, sub-menus, and you'd have to know where to find it.
And the Triton does it too.
Yes, sir.
Just more advanced.
Just more fast.
More advanced.
Well, it just has a 2-channel lab
Yeah,
scope.
yeah.
Oh wow.
So I went into Smart Data, and again, instead of showing all PIDs, it shows me only those ones related to the code.
That's great.
And it has known good values in it. So you hear it beeping. As soon as any one of the PIDs goes out of spec, it'll red flag it
Flags it. That's awesome.
and take a screenshot what's happening at that time. That's why it's beeping, because it's recording. I mean, that's just a misfire counter, but
You don't have to be actively watching values; it'll record it for you.
well, and
If it comes
I mean, this is not a great code to display this, but you could have all these PIDs. If you don't know what a known good value is,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. That's
this will
where,
tell you,
where
hey,
a lot of people fail.
flag, this
Yeah.
one's bad. Check into this one.
Yeah. If you don't know what you're looking for, you'll never find the problem, right? So,
Oh yeah.
yeah. That's
They all
great.
just look like numbers until you know what it's supposed to be.
Yeah. So, like I said, the best analogy that I could come up with was a library of information that you have to go hunting and searching for
Yeah.
versus a library with a librarian.
Right. It's awesome.
And I can easily toggle back and forth between the two codes.
And it
Yes,
can
sir.
be all yours for the low price of. Who cares? If you need it, you buy it.
Our shop will.
It's not expensive, it's high in value.
Yeah, you know what? I mean, you can't put a price on time saved when you really think about it, right? I mean, so. I mean, you
for-
can put a price on time saved. It's whatever that costs.
I mean, you know, for a shop, time is money.
Yeah, exactly, man.
For a flat rate tech,
Yeah,
time is money.
that's what we sell is labor.
So,
Nowadays, it's so hard to get away with like a $50 code scanner.
Yeah.
You know, you can't get away with that garbage.
No, you
anymore.
can't anymore. No, you're 100% right.
Everything just looks like an O2 sensor problem.
Yeah. It's like, oh, we got an O2 code. Oh, you replaced the O2. You're good to go.
Yeah.
Well,
no,
what's actually causing that O2 to read that?
That's the only thing it can read.
Yeah.
The O2 sensor.
Yeah. Awesome.
yeah, and it is actually a relatively small premium in price over a regular one.
Yeah. Got to do what you got to do.
The
right?
other thing, I mean,
You got to pay for the information that's given
Well,
to you.
Well, and the
and
other one-
whereas our updates for the scan tools come out every 6 months,
Yeah.
the intelligent diagnostic stuff is getting updated all the time.
Right.
Plus, the Triton one has a scope in it. Geez, that's not cheap.
No.
That's quite the. If you know how to use it, it's a good tool.
Well, I mean, yes, it does have a lab scope in it. Most people don't use the lab scope per se. They use the component test meter,
Yeah.
and it is guided. So you go in and you select your VIN. So it's giving you VIN specific information. Then
Yeah.
you select your sensor.
Yeah.
And once you've done that, it will automatically set up the graph.
Oh, it's
For
supposed
you?
to look like, yeah.
No, it'll set up the graph for you, and then it will also show you the picture of what it should be.
Nice. So it makes your.
If you just go
Makes
to
your
a
lab
lab
scope
scope, you have to
usable.
set up the X and Y axes yourself.
Yeah.
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 And you also have to know
What it's supposed
good
to
or
look
bad.
Like. Yeah. So it
The
actually
guided
makes-
component test meter will tell you.
And you have to know how to use a
All of
lab
that.
scope.
It'll also tell you like the best test location.
I think
whether
that's the
you
biggest
are
problem.
Probing a connector or testing at the sensor itself.
Yeah.
Or it will tell you that. And if it's a 4-wire
It'll tell you.
connector, it'll say back probe pins 1 and 2.
Wow. All the information we spend a lot of time trying to find.
Yeah.
Going to find, yeah. I mean, it's all out there between
Yeah.
ShopKey and, you know, the
course.
other information systems.
Yep.
Your own factory online manuals. I mean, it's all out there.
Yeah. Finding it.
This takes it and
Yeah.
Brings it
Zeroes
all
in
into
on
one
everything. Yeah, that's great.
Slick.
Yep.
Well,
Time saved is money in your pocket.
So I'm thinking the dealership will pick one up next week.
Yeah. I'll
we're
I'll
on
talk him into it. We'll trade in the Solus.
look, it's the new update, guys.
Yeah, it's the new update. Yeah, it's a mandatory update.
Yeah.
Just we get a new one.
Every year.
Well,
Yeah.
if I put a Hyundai sticker on it, then we could call it a mandatory tool.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, get Hyundai to pay for it. Yeah, it's a good
I
idea.
thought I was the only mandatory tool in the show.
You are a tool.
You're not
I'm not sure if
mandatory.
you're mandatory.
Well, I should
Yeah.
probably get
Yeah.
back there.
Anyway, yeah, we should probably head back into the shop. We'll see you guys in there.
Be safe.
Yeah, I'm gonna head back into the shop. It's a busy day, so I got lots going on. So I'm gonna just say farewell, guys. I hope you had a good snap on Wednesday. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Peace out, guys. I will see you very soon. I got a couple of videos in the works, so they are they'll be out shortly. So yeah. Anyway, 3 months old with this thing. So we got a 3-month video coming up and stuff like that. So. As well as a couple of tool things. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Really appreciate it, and peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.